I'm sitting in a 2013 Honda Civic keyed version with no keys. We're going to do one remote key, one non-remote key. No keys present. So keys on. There's our security light flashing. Got a Honda Civic key coding 13 Gen 9 Mobilizer 10. We're going to have to do program keys. We're going to do 2. Okay, off. On. Off. Okay, next key. Take key out. Turn it to on. Turn it to off. Back to on. Off. On. The security light just extinguished on the dash. Yes. Alright, that's it. Now, security light just went out. That's with the non-remote key. Remote key went out. And our buttons all work. Alright, we are done.